Today I'm going to be installing my washer, and this is my first time, so hopefully it turns out successful. This is the product that I got from Home Depot. It's Everbuild rubber washing machine hoses. So one is for hot water, one is for cold water. Okay, so this rubber washing machine hoses is approximately 5 feet long. So the washing machine has holes where I can insert the hoses in for the hot and cold water. Here is the draining hose, and it all goes into here.
It's worth it. So today's episode at this cool amazing product right here. You can see basically what it is a rubber washing machine hose. That waits for tightening, right?
Is that working?
Yep.
Nice. As long as it's super tight, so that way it won't leak.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
Still loose. Just need to do a little more over. That one goes in. Yes.
All the way in?
Yep.
Okay, now we're gonna test this out to see if it works or not.
Alright, so once you guys install the bottom part, then you guys want to turn on the actual faucet or valve. Turn it the wrong way. Right? So now you guys are all set, and you guys can turn it on and start using it.
Then you can't wear it because it'll be wet.
Okay, I'm not wearing it.
It's fine, he can test it out.
Just use the lowest water setting.
I don't know. Oh, I did. Good. Alright. Alright. Let's test it out. Alright, let's see what the inside looks like. Ooh, it works.
It works!